videos you want to listen or watch. And then when the queue is empty, it will stop. Right now, YouTube only allows playlists on mobile apps, and I don't really like making a lot of playlists every time I want something unique. So instead, I might try to do this application. And I say might because I haven't done a lot of research and it's just an idea. So maybe it's not possible, maybe it is, but we can draw it out, and I'll give an example of what it might look like. So what I'm thinking is, let's say this is your cell phone, and what's going to happen is we're going to have a like a typical bar for like the app name, like this. App name. And then we'll have some other things over here, like maybe like a menus option. But we don't really have anything for now, but let's just go ahead and say there's a menu. Who knows? This is just a drawing. And so what I envision, at least for right now, is we have a video like this for YouTube. So we can go ahead and label it YouTube. And this is just going to be your basic YouTube video that you kind of watch right now, right? It's just a normal one. Nothing fancy. And what the bottom half might be is, I haven't really decided how I want it to look, but I'm thinking we do something like this, where we have a search bar like that, and this is where you type in like how the YouTube search works. So this is where you type in videos that you'd want. Maybe I'll have an enter button, I'm not sure. Let's do that. Let's just put a line there, and we can black this portion out. So let's just say there's a search option, and maybe there's like a small button here that says like search. Is that a thing? Enter or search or whatever, right? This is a button to go fetch your videos that you'd like to watch. And basically what's going to happen is something that I see. Basically this is going to be dependent on YouTube and how they allow for the APIs. It might cost me some money, but that should be fine, I guess. I know there are other applications like Z's. I think that's like Chibi's application, or I don't know. I don't actually know what it is, but if they have something similar to this, then please tell me about it and leave it in the leave it in a comment so I can check it out. But if not, then this is kind of the way I want it. So let's go through a flow of how it would work. We're just going to move this to the side so we know what it looks like, right? So when we first come and enter, what's going to happen is we have this, and then we're going to have something like that saying, come and choose a video. So over here we can search. Oops. Like that. Oops. So over here it would be like this, right? So that's step one. I'll go list step one, where we enter. Step two is going to be step two will be here, and this is where we are going to do this, and we can say, let's just say we search for me because it's my channel. So what's going to happen is we click enter and we search, and what hopefully will happen is you will see a couple of my videos or related videos. I know, actually I think it's like JoJo, I think it's the ASMR Gently Scott, that pops up a lot, but essentially this will happen. And when I click, this video, what's going to happen is let's give some color. Let's give a brighter color. Okay, so we're going to give a brighter color just to show. Oh, that's not it. Going to give a brighter color just so we know what we're looking at here. We're still here. And then we click and click. So this is what we're doing. So now the next step is going to be say this is what we clicked on, right? So what's going to happen is when we're in queue, what we'll see is, so now we are in the current queue, and everything's going to be black, or whatever color, and we are here now. So what's going to happen is a user will come on to the app. They will go ahead and search for a video that they want. Maybe I should add an instruction screen. And what's going to happen is they will search for a video, so extra ASMR, and hit enter. And let's actually, it makes more sense if this is here. It would be like this. So let's say this is what happens. So this is no longer green because we're not clicking it. So sorry if this is repetitive, but you know, that's okay because it's ASMR. It'll be at a not normal, faster paced video. So someone comes to the application name, the app, they search their favorite ASMR person or video title, and it will bring a list of videos. And so they click on the ones they want to watch. And what will happen is it will start playing the queue. So if you do one video, it will start playing. And if you click another one, what will happen is it will put it in queue. And when this video finishes, then the next one will go through. So let me scooch this one over a bit again. So what's gonna happen is, oh, this is not step 2, this is kind of like a step 3. Maybe I could have laid this out a little bit easier, but at least for now, we can go with these steps. And basically, when your video is over, it eventually becomes something like this again. Saying like, okay, let me see if I can make some space. Okay, perfect, it's close enough. So then what'll happen is this will be black, and this would be black, like this, and it'll say empty, and we need this image again. Oops, sorry. I know it's very poorly drawn, but I didn't really think this out. This is kind of off the top. And so what will happen is, when this video is done, it'll pop this one out, and this one will see that there's no video. And then we kind of go back to here and just continue to add them on as we want. Again, I don't know if it's possible. I don't know if I'll finish the app or if I'll even do it. But this is a cool idea that I had, and I thought I would share. So, this would be pretty interesting to make and pretty fun. So,